UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then swipe to the left. Here let me use System Apps. Let me use Settings. Then you need to scroll down in order to choose Backup and Reset. It's located under Personal Stuff. Let's tap it. And here let's use Network Settings Reset. So this will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, cellular data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's choose Reset Settings. To confirm the operation, tap Reset Settings again, and that's it. Network settings have been reset, so you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.